Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Pro and the De'Longhi ECAM22110B. Let's dive in.
Sounds good. I see the Breville is a Barista Series semi-automatic, and the De'Longhi is a super-automatic machine. Big difference right away.
Exactly. The Breville is all about that hands-on experience. You grind, you tamp, you pull the shot. It's got a built-in conical burr grinder with dose control, which is nice. The De'Longhi, being super automatic, does pretty much everything for you with just a push of a button.
Yeah, I noticed the De'Longhi is described as renewed, which means it's refurbished. That could explain why it's currently unavailable. The Breville is brand new, and you can get it in some cool colors like black truffle or damson blue.
True. And the Breville boasts a super fast 3-second heat-up time, thanks to its thermojet system. The De'Longhi mentions a rapid cappuccino system, but doesn't give a specific time.
What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand, so you control the texture. The De'Longhi has a, quote, patented cappuccino system frothier. Sounds automatic, but less control over the foam.
Gotcha. The Breville also has a digital temperature control, which they say keeps the water within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius for optimal extraction. That sounds pretty precise. And it has an LCD display showing grinding and extraction progress.
The De'Longhi has manual controls, which are described as easy to use but less techy. It does have adjustable coffee strength and cup size options, which is nice.
What about capacity? How much water and beans can they hold?
The Breville's got a 67 ounces water tank and a half a pound bean hopper. The De'Longhi has a slightly smaller 60 ounces water tank.
Okay, so if someone wants a hands-on, precise, and faster experience with better control over milk texture, the Breville seems like the way to go. But if they want push-button convenience and don't mind a refurbished machine, the De'Longhi could work.
I think you nailed it. Plus, the Breville seems to have way more customer reviews, around 3,000, while the De'Longhi has less than 100. That could indicate popularity and reliability. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.